Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vinny the Handyman. I wasn't going to do this video. I thought it was just a little too basic, but I think there might be somebody out there that could benefit from this video. Alright, so what we got going on here is that we have this Moen shower valve that's acting up, obviously. The homeowner was saying that whenever they take a shower, this is either extremely hot or extremely cold. There's no in between. But this may be a common situation. You know, I don't run into this very often. Usually I'm just doing brand new shower control valve installs. But in this case, to save money, we're just gonna take it apart, replace the cartridge. Okay, so before you guys start this job, you have to, I'm gonna say it again, you must turn off the main water line. Once you open the guts of this thing, water can shoot out. So turn off the main water line, okay? Once you do that, we're going to use our Allen key here, and we're going to remove the Allen screw that's in underneath here. So we'll turn it upside down, take it out. This piece is going to come off, and then we got these two long Phillips screws that come off, and then boom, this whole plate comes off. So let's do that first. Go turn off the main water line. Okay, so we're down in the basement now. If you guys aren't familiar with your main shutoff, it's going to be this one right here that's in line. The side one's usually for your sprinklers, but the one that is in line with the main pipe, that's going to be your shutoff valve. Let's go ahead and turn off the main water line. There we go. Okay, so once the water is off, you can obviously get to it. Here's the little screw you got to get out. And again, that's an Allen head screw. Okay, so these can be very difficult to get off sometimes. They get corroded pretty bad with the water. So you may have to put a lubricant in there or WD-40, okay?
Okay, so now we're taking off the handle. Alright, so next you have to take off the screw. And then all this comes out.
Alright, so next you want to scar the silicone seal with a utility knife, and then this will pop right off. Okay, so I was able to pull this out. I'm really not sure why the hot and cold wasn't mixing correctly with this valve, but we're gonna go to Home Depot now and see if we can't find this. And again, this is for Moen. Let's go see if they have it, and hopefully we get lucky and put a new one back in. But, okay, so we're at Home Depot now. They have all kinds of parts for your bathtub and shower supplies. So I got this one here. This is the Moen 122. Okay, so I was able to find the exact same cartridge. Now there's two ways of going about this. If they don't have the replacement part, then you could always buy this unit and then replace the guts of it, okay? But being that they did have it, I got lucky. We have a replacement part here. It has the model number in there for the Moen, and it says 158084. That's the one that I needed. Okay, so we're finally back at the house. I got the replacement cartridge right here. This is 1222. This fits most of your newer Moen models. So this is most likely the same cartridge that you're going to be replacing, okay? And again, this is about 7 years old, and they still carried this right at Home Depot, so pretty good. All right, so instead of replacing this whole shower unit, we're just going to replace the cartridge and get on our way. So let's get this finished up. So it looks like we got some extra lube in here. We'll go ahead and lube up this cartridge so it slides in nice and easy. All right, so you just take off that cap. So at the very top, it's going to say H and C for hot and cold. That's going to face up. Okay, so once you slide the cartridge back in, that's how it should look. Again, where it says hot and cold, that should be faced towards you and on the top side of the shower unit. Okay, next we're gonna put in our little clip here. This keeps it intact. There we go. And that's just gonna fall in place, and you'll see the bottom of the clip sitting right there.
Okay, so next we're going to install this piece. Not sure what that's called. Then you have your faceplate here. Okay. We're going to add our 2 screws. These can be tricky sometimes, so be very patient. So you kind of hand thread them in first. Alright, next one.
Okay, next you're going to put this device on. That's just going to slide in just like that. All right, there's no wrong way to do it. Then you're going to take this piece and you're going to put inside, making sure all that lines up top. And then the last piece, that's going to fit just like that. Just make sure the screw hole faces down and that it locks right here. So the idea is for this to be on off, and then you're going to rotate it on to all the way hot. Okay, so if you guys can match that sequence, you'll be fine. All right, next we're going to put in our little screw. All right, now we're going to put on our handle. And being that the water's off, you could turn it like that and then tighten down your screw. Okay, so once your handle's on, that's pretty much it. Now you guys can go turn on your water, test the shower if you want, but now it should be able to get hot and cold. All right guys, so that completes this video. Again, just a quick $50 part, changed the whole thing out. It was maybe an hour's worth of time. The hardest part is just going to Home Depot. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Take care. Vinny the Handyman signing out, and it's getting late, so it's time for me to go home. All right guys, take care.